mask that you're kind of required to wear in the country and make it into a magical item. Okay, so in some places in the States, you kind of are forced to wear this. No, it's not what you think it is. It's meant for this. You have to wear this. Might as well take advantage of it and make it into a magical item. First, going to explain how in theory it's going to be working. You're going to be having it on as such, and as it's on, intention is actually going to be embedded into the mask. And when you breathe, you're breathing in the intention. And every breath you take, you're intaking it, you're breathing it in, and it's going into your mind. And then you're exhaling, accepting it as fact. In order to do this, you're going to need, obviously, a mask. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. Preferably, it's best if it's something that's made out of a fabric. A thing of water. Essential oils of your choice. You can actually just have the intention oil itself. As with anything and everything, make it a void, cleanse it. It's cleansed. Now what your attention's going to be. I'm going to be making a mixture. Pay attention and listen. Have your water. You're going to be adding in your oil. Start with it. I like the smell of jasmine. Let's just add 5 drops. And so you can also add crystals to this. Next up is going to be vanilla. 2 drops because this is potent vanilla. And the reason why for jasmine, because it's a man intoxicator. Vanilla because it's a very self-empowering, nasty vibe to it, if you catch my drift. Next, patchouli, because it's either all the way in, all the way not in. Awkward way of putting that. It also helps bring things down to the physical earth. Next up is going to be good old vetiver, just like patchouli, bringing things down in, but also it actually has the effect to pierce through any kind of BS or resistance or blockages. Lavender, definitely not Maximilian Pegasus from Yu-Gi-Oh! Hey Yugi boy. Your lovely hot mess of a mixture. You can add crystals to this if you deem fit. Just swirl it around. You can actually just speak into it like this, what your intention is, or you can have it in your head and actually blow the intention into the water. If you're rather with the intention oil, like to mix intentions together, like this one's a follow me boy mix, a man dominator mix. The essential oils, when you mix it in the water, you really technically don't have to like give it the intention again. But for demonstration purposes, I'll blow this again. Take this, and yes, it's exactly what you think it is. Just simply stuff it in there. And you can leave it in there for as long as you deem fit. Once it's in there, it's absorbing that intention. Just simply fish it out. And of course, obviously, yep, you're gonna want to strain it unless you want to have a wet thing on your face. It's dry, that's when you have it on, and then you just go about your day. And every time you take a breath in through this mask, you're breathing in your attention through it.